Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, let's talk about Romeo Lavia, the midfield general, the man who conquered, who pocket Sobolozai, who pocket McAllister, who pocket Endo, who pocketed the whole Liverpool midfield. Let's talk about his injury latest. During that game, he was sent off, and this is the latest information about his injury. Let's read it before we come and talk about this our midfielders, guys. Romeo Lavia will be carefully managed by Enzo Maresca. Is understood to be optimistic that the midfielder fitness record will continue to improve. Yes. So, guys, that is the information. His latest injury, that Lavia will be managed by Enzo Maresca. Carefully managed by Enzo Maresca. So that means that it wasn't a strong injury or it wasn't a hard injury. It was just a pain, yes, and he will be managed well. Maybe our next game, the Conference League game, he may not play. Yes, Enzo Maresca will manage him, yes. By the way, as I said, the injury wasn't that strong. No. It was just a simple pain. So he will recover, yes. Go through our doctors for him to get some massage, yes. They will just do some soldier palm on his legs. You see, he will come back, yes. Because, guys, what Lavia is bringing to Chelsea team is immeasurable. It's uncomparable. See, we miss Lavia. The whole of the season, the time he was out, we miss him a lot. I said it already in so many times. This kind of players, when they are in your team playing, you don't see they are important. I'm telling you, you don't see, because what they are doing, it makes our attackers or just attackers more active. They are scoring goals. We are winning football games. They are giving assists. So everybody will be talking about the attackers, those who are scoring the goals and those who are giving the assists, not giving the attention to the midfielder, the controller, the dictator, Romeo Lavia. In fact, if Lavia were to be there, yes, more of this season, I don't think by now we'll be struggling for the top four. Yes, I don't think by now Chelsea will be struggling for top four, because imagine Caicedo and Lavia and Enzo Fernandez in the midfield. Insane. Nobody can break us down. And guys, information from Chelsea camp also said that Essugo, the young DM, the young central midfielder, defensive midfielder, the versatility midfielder will sign from Sporting Portugal. Essugo will be joining Chelsea next season, and he will be a backup for Lavia. Essugo will be a backup for what? Lavia. And Andrew Santos, the man who went to French League One and conquered their midfield and become their best midfielder, he will be coming to be a backup for Moses Caicedo. So Essugo will be a backup for Lavia, and Andrew Santos will be a backup for who? Moses Caicedo. In fact, this our midfield. See, next season, any team that will try to play through Chelsea midfield will never get it. As a team, if you are coming next season and you are coming with the mindset of to play or to bully Chelsea midfield or to control the midfield or to play over our midfielders, it can happen. Any team that is coming to play through Chelsea midfield to score or to win, no. They should rather change a format, because it can work. This our midfield is like a rock. And one thing I even like about this our midfield is the physicality in there. The physicality. See, Moses Caicedo, physical. Andrew Santos, physical. Essugo, physical. Santos, physical. Lavia, reading of the game, going in for dangerous tackles. See, next season, this our midfield will be unforgivable. We will not forgive any team that will try to penetrate through Chelsea midfield to score or to win football games against Chelsea. It can happen. It can happen. Guys, I am super happy. See, guys, so far, these our owners, they are not stingy in spending. When it comes to spend, they are not stingy. They want to spend. They have the zeal, the enthusiasm, the willingness to spend. But just that sometimes the players and how they are spending their money, that is the issue. But so far, signing Caicedo, signing Enzo Fernandez, signing Cucurella and Lavia, let me say that, because if Lavia is injured, yes, safe, free, he is good to go. He will become one of the best DM, yes. So these players, I can say for them, the signing went right. But just that, we still need to balance the squad. For the squad there, having experienced players, next season want to play Champions League. Forget. See, we need a balanced squad. experience. So let's hope this time around they listen and go to the market and bring Chelsea a prolific, a clinical striker, experienced centre back, and our goalkeeping position will come to that. Yes. So next season, Santos will be a backup for Moses Caicedo, and Essugo will be a backup for Romeo Lavia. And Lavia injury is not that bad. Yes, it's not that strong. It's just a pain. Yes, it's a safe one. So our next game, Maresca may manage him. Yes, he will not play the Conference League game. Maybe in the weekends, or yes, we are going to play against Manchester United or Newcastle. Yes. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about this, our midfielders, Lavia, Essugo, Santos, and Moses Caicedo. Let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought, yes, about Lavia injury. And let's move to the next topic. But before we go there, guys, please just remind you to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach wider audience on the YouTube algorithm. Yes. Let's move to the next topic, which is Joao Felix. Flamingo interested to sign Joao Felix, guys. Yes, and they want to sign him before the Club World Cup start. As yes, they are also participating in the Club World Cup. So they want to sign him, but they want it on loan or permanent. Yes, signing Felix on permanence will be the fee Chelsea will be selling him. So Flamingo interested to sign Joao Felix, guys. That is the information. So Joao Felix may not return back to Chelsea next season. He may not be Chelsea player next season. By the way, AC Milan here, they said no. They are not signing Joao Felix. For AC Milan signing Joao Felix, for now it is off. So even if Flamingo will not sign him when the season ends, he will return to Chelsea. In the summer, he will come back to Chelsea, yes, and have the preseason with Chelsea. But there is a plan that Chelsea will sell him, and so many teams interested to sign him. I heard Sporting and Benfica and co. Yes, they are all showing interest. Yes, they are all showing interest. Let's hope, because Joao Felix getting playing time in Chelsea, it will be a problem. And the issue is that Felix don't want to be a bench player. That is the issue. He wants to be starting. And it will be difficult, especially a team like Chelsea, demanded team like Chelsea. You have to score, give results. So when you are playing and you are not giving the numbers, yes, you are not showing the performance, you can't be starting all the time. So guys, that is the issue with Joao Felix. It isn't that Chelsea don't want to give him, but he wants to be starting. And that is the issue. So guys, Flamingo interested to sign Joao Felix. Let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought. Yes. And let's come to Alejandro Garnacho. In fact, this man, Manchester United fans are telling us to be patient with Garnacho. 20 years Garnacho, in which Cole Palmer is doing it in the Premier League. And they are saying that we should be patient with Garnacho, in which Troy George is doing it in the Premier League. They are saying that we should be patient with Garnacho, in which the young teenager Yamal is doing it in La Liga, in Champions League. United fans are saying that we should be patient with Garnacho. Okay, we're here. We'll be patient with Garnacho. Ladies and gentlemen, Manchester United is selling Garnacho 65 million. They informed Chelsea that if they want to sign Alejandro Garnacho, they should bring 65 million. Initially, if you can remember, during the summer, they said that they are selling Alejandro Garnacho 80 million, but the way Chelsea refused to sign him or pay that fee. Now they reduce the fee down to 65 million. In fact, Manchester United, they are doing every possible thing just to pay us back. For us selling Mason Mount to them, now Mason Mount turned to injury proof. They are doing everything to sell Garnacho, yes, to pay us back. And Chelsea signing Garnacho. See, Garnacho signing will not be bad. He's not a bad player. I like his direct nature, his direct football. He's always trying. Yes, trying. Garnacho is trying. Yes. But just that, when we look at our flanks recently, our win recently, guys, see, enough is enough. No. We don't need Garnacho. Even if Chelsea will pay the 60 or the 70 million, 65 for Garnacho, Chelsea should go and pay the man and bring me Isak. Chelsea should go and pay the man and bring me Victor Gyökeres. That is all. I want a striker. Todd Bowley. I want a striker, Eric Bailly. Now I am okay with the wings. Next season, Estavia and Kendrick and Co will come in, will be joining. So it's okay. Garnacho is not a bad player. He should stay there. Chelsea, we are okay. Now we want Osimhen. We want Isak. We want Gyökeres. Please, Todd Bowley, go and bring me a see. If Chelsea we can get a prolific clinical striker next season, we are winning the league all day. We are winning the league. See, this season league, I keep on saying it every day. This season league is for Chelsea. It pains me, I know. See, my village gods told me that this league was for Chelsea, but our inexperienced Enzo Maresca, yes, he said no, I can't win the league. He gave it to Anis Slot. His first season in the Premier League, he's winning the league. He won the league. It were to be Enzo Maresca's first season as Chelsea boss. Chelsea culture, Chelsea tradition was to bless Enzo Maresca, but he said no, I can't win the league. I can't win the league. So guys, Manchester United still, yes, selling Alejandro Garnacho, and they said 65 million. As I said initially, they said 80 million. Let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought. Should Chelsea go and sign him? Should Chelsea sign Alejandro Garnacho, guys? And let's come to our goalkeeping position. Information from Chelsea come, yes, that Chelsea will not sign a new goalkeeper. So now Chelsea will choose between Petrovic, Sanchez, and Bendes. Petrovic, Sanchez, Georgeson, and Mark Bendes. These 4 goalkeepers Chelsea will choose from. And rumors came, yes, that Chelsea wanted to sign Dortmund goalkeeper, Korbel. Yes. So guys, let me hear from you about this goalkeeper. Do you think he's good? He can do it for us. He's an upgrade of Sanchez and Georgeson, because now even if Chelsea will sign a goalkeeper, that is what we are expecting. Chelsea should go and bring someone who is upgrade, like our striking position. We want someone who is upgrade to Jackson. Yes, not the same level. That is why some of us, we are not supporting Chelsea going to sign Delap again. No. Delap and Jackson, they are all in the same category. Some may even say that Jackson is better than Delap. So it's good we'll go and sign experienced ones. Yes. So guys, Chelsea signing Korbel, do you think he can do it? And Chelsea choosing between Petrovic, yes, Sanchez, Georgeson, and Mark Bendes. Yes, who should Chelsea choose to be our number 1 goalkeeper next season? Because as I said, information said that Chelsea will not sign a goalkeeper, or Chelsea will not bring in a new goalkeeper. Yes, I'm hearing it. Some fans are saying that Chelsea should bring Kepa back. He can do it. He can do what and what. He had the experience, what and what. By the way, guys, up to you. Let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about all what we'll discuss in this video. Yes, from Lavia injury to Joao Felix, yes, to our midfielders, yes, Caicedo, Santos, and co. Everything that we talk about in this video, and we gave you a podcast. Yes, the Champions League games. Yes, PSG, Arsenal, Inter Milan, Barcelona. That podcast is here. Please click to enjoy them, and don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach wider audience on the YouTube algorithm. Take care, peace.